Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make vanilla macarons. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. Precision is key, so measure 100 grams of almond flour, 100 grams of powdered sugar, and 2 egg whites accurately. Aging your egg whites for at least 24 hours helps create a more stable meringue. Always use a reliable kitchen scale for the best outcome. Next, we'll create the macaron batter. Sift your almond flour and powdered sugar together to remove any lumps. In a separate bowl, whip 2 egg whites with 90 grams of granulated sugar until they form stiff, glossy peaks. This stable meringue is crucial. Then, carefully fold the dry ingredients into the meringue, achieving a consistency where the batter slowly flows like molten lava from your spatula. Now it's time for piping. Using a piping bag with a round tip, create uniform circles, approximately 1.5 inches in diameter, on parchment-lined baking sheets. After piping, firmly tap the sheets on your counter a few times to release any air bubbles. This prevents cracking. Then, let them rest for 30 to 60 minutes, or until a dry skin forms on the surface, which is essential for their feet. Finally, we bake and fill our beautiful shells. Preheat your oven to a low temperature, around 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the macarons for 12 to 15 minutes, rotating the tray halfway through. Once baked, let them cool completely on the baking sheet before gently peeling them off. Then, pipe your favorite vanilla buttercream or ganache between 2 shells to create a delightful, classic vanilla macaron.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.